Yo, what up everyone? I'm really gonna play for like 10 minutes because I got stuff to do. Like Walmart called me later, like earlier. I was like 10 a.m. I was so tired because I got work at 12, so I like don't wake up until like 11:30 anyway. So yeah, they called me talking about like some interview on Google Maps, but it's like I just woke up because I woke me up from my like 4 hours sleep, and I was also like it was some dude with a really heavy like accent. I couldn't understand anything, so I gotta call him back. But then I had work later at like 12, so I went back to bed and went to work, and I spent like 7 hours. I gotta call him back. So yeah, whatever. I sort of just got on, so I'm gonna be really bad. I'm gonna play I'm not gonna play as good as last time. Like look at my elo bit. I'm also talking this time too, so yeah. But I'm straight up just gonna play like two or three games and leave because I gotta do other stuff. I just did this real quick because no one else is in the house right now, so I can talk. Why is there no volume? Redo this. I gotta some like there's a bunch of like FLPs. People send me them on the finish them. I gotta get on that. So yeah, I really am busy, man. I'm like a grown man now. At the game store today, I almost broke the PS4. So you know, I gotta get a new job. There's some like Tom McDonald music on there, so it's like, oh. Yeah, I got so much to do. Let me run this up real quick. By the time this uploads, it's gonna be like a month later after I record it anyway. Oh, it's the first day of August. That's cool. I got a course in September. Yeah. I also might have a course this month. I don't know yet. Actually, I should probably check that too. Like Walmart called me, but they didn't email me at all, so I'm kind of confused. That's fine. I was fighting Angry Aimer yesterday. That guy's pretty good at the game. I love that guy. Queued Vaulu 1000 elo. 137 ms. Yeah, I'm gonna play so bad. I'm hungry too. I haven't eaten yet today. It was like. Yesterday was like an anomaly, man. Like my last elo series was an anomaly. I was playing so well. Does this guy falling downwards? This guy might be an NPC, like those cheater bots. Shout out this guy though. Oh my gosh. I'm clicking so slow, man. It's like I'm clicking like 8. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm actually so bad. That's okay. I'm way too old to be playing this game still. Oh, I just took 2 of his pots. That's crazy. Did this guy just pop me again, man? This guy's a little cheater guy. Like, how do you know all these strats and you're still putting downwards? Like this guy has to be not real. To be fair though, I did the same thing in like 2019. I didn't know how to pot, but you know what, every time either I just hold a W and clicking 10 and I never thought I was cheating. Because I was so bad, but you know I had like aim and CPS, so. has like perfect aim and no potting skill. Like, how is that possible? I don't even get it. I think I might lose this one actually. Oh, never mind. Nice. That guy's so much more hits than me. He just kept putting down. I got a new peak elo now, guys. Wow. Alright. Nice game. I'm like, my mouse is like not double clicking. Well, I'm not double clicking because I'm just so bad right now. No one's getting ranked, bro. I smell like ass. I smell so bad. I haven't showered in a minute. I feel like I'm like the average Minecraft player right now. This is not a good look. Can y'all even hear me? Am I talking loud enough? I'm gonna turn the volume down a little bit on the music. I'll just do one more game and I'm gone anyway. Let me change the pack. Soup Skids. 16x. Poppy. Okay, we keep same person. Let's try to play it a little bit better. But might not happen. Let's try to play this game. This person just potted me again. Wow. This is a hacker bot, bro. It's like, how do you waste that much pots and be that good at the game? Probably like a Bedwars player or something. Okay, like how do you not have the game system to predict that I won't do that? Like, come on now. Oh my gosh. Okay, this guy's potting correctly now. It's over. This guy's still potting downwards. I bought it in this time. Nice. Oh my gosh. Yo, if this guy was playing the game, I'll do one more. I'll wait for it to queue. Hopefully it's not the same guy, because that's a difficult fight. This song is so good. Yo. It reminds me of Apple by Blade. Okay, I changed pack then. No one wants to queue. Someone's queuing. One more fight, then I'm gone, because I really got to go, bro. Like, this is bad. You queued a 200 ping player. That's 1k elo. Wow. How will this go? Am I not sprinting or so? Okay. I mean, this guy's playing legit. Oh my. Oh, I'm so bad. for a little bit too. That's the smarter play in this. Why are you speeding this early though? That's my question. Yo, we're speeding. Oh my gosh, yo, I'm so bad at you right now. This is not a good look. Apparently I'm worse at butterflying. Oh, fuck. I'm Mr. Lag over here. Where do you live in Lag City? I'm Mr. Wall right now. Call me Mr. Wall. Oh my gosh. Yo. I'm Mr. Backhit. Oh, I should have sped there. Should have speeded. I mean. Okay. Yeah, that was a pretty sad fight if you ask me. But okay, I'm gonna go now. Goodbye, everyone.